Welcome. This channel is like a puzzle, made from the pieces that matter most to me. Each piece reflects a different part of my journey. The biggest piece is my own quest for self-improvement and my wish to reduce suffering in this world. Another piece is my love for nature, one more, my passion for technology and science, and yet another, my fascination with sci-fi and fantasy. So let's put them together. Throughout this video, I'll be testing and demonstrating different AI tools, the latest technology available. You'll see each tool mentioned in the corner as I use them. But first, let me take the form of that wacky wizard and fix this puzzle for you. Welcome to my world of wonder. Our cabin in the wilderness is real, yet it feels like a place from a fantasy. Like this world around me now, protected by the northern spirits. I created our sanctuary as a refuge for myself and my friends, a place to reconnect, find peace and restore balance. In a world facing complex problems and an uncertain future, I've come to believe that perhaps here in this quiet northern haven, there is path towards a cure. This channel is my way of sharing that journey with you. So come along and discover what this world is all about. I'll see you soon.
The world is changed. I feel it in the rivers as they run quieter, carrying shadows of what we've left behind. I feel it in the earth, worn by the weight of our ceaseless ambition. I sense it in the air, once pure and alive, now heavy with the exhaust of our endless progress. Much that once was is lost. In our pursuit of comfort and power, we have strayed from the simple ways, the quiet joys of a life in balance with the earth. It began with the forging of technology, wonders crafted to ease our lives, to brighten our days. But what once freed us now binds us like a shadow we did not see. The tools we created to serve us now claim more than we ever imagined. Machines to build, to connect, to understand, but also to control, to divide, to fuel wars and foster loneliness. They bring knowledge but also distraction, power but also pollution, connection yet isolation. Our creations have left us with minds burdened by anxiety, hearts weighed down by loneliness, and skies filled with smoke. And now, the most powerful creation yet rises before us. Artificial intelligence. AI will change everything. It will sweep across our lives, transforming work, shaking economies, even reshaping the very meaning of purpose. Jobs may be lost, and in its wake, perhaps chaos, or perhaps something else. But then something happened that technology did not intend. An idea came, not of power or control, but of something quieter and more enduring, picked up by the most unlikely of people. A man from the north, a simple keeper of the quiet. For the time will soon come when those who seek harmony with the earth may yet shape the fortunes of all.
For many years, this cabin in the Arctic wilderness has stood quietly, nestled among the trees, a world away from the hurried lives beyond. Here in Arctic, we live with the rhythm of the seasons, content to let the noise of modern life fade into the background, embraced instead by the timeless calm of nature, unlike the fast-moving world outside. Life at the cabin is simple and grounded. We aren't warriors of renown, nor seekers of fame, but rather we are drawn to the warmth of a crackling fire, the richness of the forest, and the gentle flow of the lake. Some might say our passions lie only in fishing and foraging, but those who come here know it is far more than that. Here, our hearts truly belong to the quiet moments, to the fresh air and good earth, and to the beauty of living in harmony with nature. Yes, to some, our ways might seem quaint, a bit old-fashioned even. But today, more than ever, it seems no bad thing to celebrate a simple life, where the days drift by like the steady flow of the river, and change comes only as nature allows, slow and subtle. And yet we welcome technology, though only when it takes on the role of protector of the land, much like the spirits and elves who watch over this retreat. We hope and we believe that AI can help us become better guardians of the earth. When AI frees us from meaningless labor, we can finally seek purpose from within and from the world around us. This is why the Arctic Mindfulness Retreat exists, a place to reconnect, to breathe deeply, and to remember what it means to live in balance. Life here continues much as it always has, filled with its own comings and goings, and a sense of calm that is passed from one season to the next. And here, under the northern lights, there will always be a place for those who seek peace, purpose, and a deeper connection to the land and themselves.